Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can write user stories in Trello, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I am in my tutorial board on Trello, which I have created just for the purposes of these tutorials, and I'll be showing you guys how you can write a user story. Now, user stories are used in the agile method of development, usually for software, and they are pretty much a card or a segment or a written sort of, I don't know, call it whatever you want. It really is a description, which is from the point of view of the end user, which you're developing the software or product for, and it pretty much outlines what a singular feature for that product is going to look like and what that user wants to accomplish. So to create a user story, the best way that I have found is, for example, to set up another card, for example, a list, then add, I don't know, user stories. And let's say for functionality 1, and here you want to add a card and name this story 1 functionality 1. You can call it whatever you want, organize it however you want, but once you create that sort of card on a list, you want to click on that card, and then what you're going to want to do is use this here description field to write your user story. For example, as a user of Facebook, I would like to have the option to click on an add friends button where I'll see a list of people who I have mutual friends with and be able to click on a button to send them a friend request. This is an example of a user story which you can use, and as you can see, this is what your user stories are going to look like. Then once you're done with that, just click save, and every time you click on that card, you'll be able to see the description or the user story itself. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.